Your vision statement. It's now 5 years in the future. What have you accomplished in terms of your external fires? What continues to lead you to serve others? What amazing transformation occurred to you in the last 5 years? Number 2, you are the guest of honor at an awards dinner and ceremony. What is written on the trophy, plaque, or certificate that caused others to notice and recognize your selfless social contributions? Number 3, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Consider how your vision of the future addresses your external fires problem statement. Identify anything that encourages you to leap out of bed every morning. This is your external fires vision statement.